Monkey, greater speed.
Oh, what's going on?
That thing fell in front of her. That was just an accident.
There are no accidents.
Go ahead, Panda. Show us what you can do.
How did I do?
There is now a level 0.
Dragon warrior fell out of the sky on a ball of fire.
When he walks, the very ground shakes.
One would think that Master Oogway would choose someone who actually knew Kung Fu.
Yeah, or could at least touch his toes.
Or even see his toes.
Ooh, sorry about that.
What are you doing here? Help him.
Oh dear.
You actually thought you could learn to do a full split in one night? It takes years.
Are you ready?
Oh! Quit.
If he's smart, he won't come back up those steps.
But he will.
He has a chance to make things right.
So I'm like, fine, you may be a wolf. You may be the scariest bandit in...
Really? So, how'd you get out of there alive?
If he could read my mind, he'd have been like, what?
Tigers, you've got to try this.
Master, please, let us stop Tai Lung. This is what you've trained us for.
Of you! I heard how...
We got this! Help her!
Monkey!
Go!